Hey, my name is Ralph and I'm with Flexfilm. And today I want to show you the battle box. This is still a prototype. But what I want to talk to you about in this video is validation. You see, a lot of you guys are selling ceramic, and most of you are, without using the heat box still to this day. The value of these products is how well this film slows down heat, radiant heat, and gives you comfort in your car. Here's what my argument is, and we've done some research on this to prove this to ourselves, and I can give you 100 examples, but validation is what I'm talking about here. You see, whatever sales pitch you use with your verbiage without using this heat box, is going to get you the sale, and you're going to do a good job, and the customer's going to pay you. But what you guys don't think about is what happens after your customer leaves. It's almost like gasoline. If you decide to pay a little extra for the 93 octane when you know the 87 is going to work, and you wonder, did you get your value? How is it going to help your car? How is it going to help you to buy the more expensive product when they both seem equal, and they both make your car run? Window film is treated like a commodity with these average everyday customers, and they really don't know if they should have bought the ceramic or not. They paid an extra $200 or $100 or $300 for it, but they really don't understand. There was never any validation how or why this product was better other than somebody saying it. Whatever sales pitch you use to get the sale, you need to step up and spend at least 30 seconds to a minute to let the customer put their hand in front of the product to validate everything you did to prevent buyer's remorse. And in this battle box example, here's how it works. You can see with no window film and with window film, this is a heat sheet. It's going to turn colors in the presence of heat. Huge difference, huge difference. Validate, and you always win. When you validate your sale, your phone's going to ring different, okay? You're going to have customers that are driving around with your product with confidence because they felt what it does with their hand. You're going to get better reviews. You're going to get better referrals. I mean, your phone's just going to start ringing different. Sometimes little things that you do in your business make big waves, okay? It's like advertising on a billboard. It may work, but you can't really sometimes measure how well it works. This is the same thing. If you validate every sale, it works. You may not be able to exactly measure how it works, but you will notice a difference in your business, and you can take that to the bank, I promise you.